Hi everyone, I'm Shakira from Careers Portal, and if you want to study electrical engineering, here are a bunch of colleges you can. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. Electrical engineering is very different from other types of engineering. An electrical engineer designs and develops devices and systems that use electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. Before we can get into where to study electrical engineering, let's speak about the electrical engineering requirements. First, you'll have to pass grade 12 or have an N3 pass. Then you will also need to have passed with a 50% in mathematics and physical science. The skills needed to succeed on eye for detail, critical skills, and an in-depth understanding of electrical and electronic theory. These skills will ensure that engineers design and perform specific tasks that meet the requirements of safety and reliability before the process is implemented. So if you've checked those boxes, you can then explore where you can study. Many of South Africa's universities offer electrical engineering, but your options are even wider than those. You can also study engineering at TVET colleges, False Bay College, TVET North Link College, or Boerland College, or other higher education institutions such as AIE, College SA, and Oxbridge Academy. Those are just a few of the many places you can consider when wanting to study electrical engineering. Head to our website to find all the places in South Africa where you can find electrical engineering courses. When studying, students learn by applying their knowledge through practical application. They learn how to identify and analyze problems and create innovative solutions to these problems. Electrical engineers can work in a variety of industries, which include research and development industries, engineering services, firms, manufacturing, government, and technology. Comment down below what made you consider electrical engineering, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.